The total age of a man and his son is 51. 3 years ago, the man was 8 times as old as his son. How old is his son now? So let us use some variables that can define the age of the man and his son. So let M be the age of the man now. And we can let S be the age of his son. In the first sentence, we were told that the age of the man and his son is 51. So M plus S is equal to 51. The next sentence says, 3 years ago, the man was 8 times as old as his son. So how old was the man 3 years ago? Well, his age, the man's age 3 years ago is just M minus 3. Okay, so M minus 3 was the man's age 3 years ago, and this is equal to 8 times as old as his son 3 years ago. So 8 times, how old was the son 3 years ago? S minus 3. Okay, so S minus 3 was the son's age 3 years ago. 8 times that is the man's age 3 years ago, M minus 3. So we can solve for M. Well, I should probably isolate for one variable first, because here we only have one equation here, but we have another equation here. So we can say that M is equal to 51 take away S. Okay, so we can plug this value into M, because M is equal to 51 minus S. So we have 51 take away S, and then minus 3. We have a minus 3 right here. This is equal to 8S take away 24. 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, so what do we have? We have 51 minus 3, which is equal to 48 on the left-hand side. 48 minus S, this is equal to 8S minus 24. So let us move the variable S on one side and the constants on the other side. So we can add S on both sides of this equation. We have negative S plus S, this is equal to 0. And then 8S plus S, this is 9S. 48 is equal to 9S take away 24. Now we can just add 24 on both sides. So 24 minus 24, this is equal to 0. 48 plus 24, this is equal to 72. So 72 is equal to 9S. So to solve for S, 9 times S is equal to 72. Well, S is just equal to 8. Or you can just divide 9 on both sides. So 9 divided by 9, this is just equal to 1. 1 times S is just equal to S. You have 1S. 72 divided by 9, this is just 8. So we have S is equal to 8. The son is 8 years old now. And that is it.